everyone, it's Louise with louisemckayart, and welcome to my channel. I am doing a commission set of coasters. Yeah, in a very unusual color palette. So I'm just diving right in here. I've already done two, and they've both come out great. This is my pillow, which is my Multi-Pro 47-3110. I just put it in the debubbler, my vacuum pump chamber last night to get the bubbles out, and for the most part, it's behaving really nicely today. Put a little less down this time. The last one I had a little extra. I'm diving straight in here, folks. Thank you for being here. First of all, I appreciate you guys being here. We both are benefiting by this because I enjoy your guys' company and your views, and you guys get the benefit of seeing these tutorials that hopefully are being received in a beneficial way. These should be able to help you guys. My tutorial should help you guys out. So this, I just mixed these up to this up today. It's a little thick already. It's Artez's Pearl Pastel Green, Glacier Blue, and Amsterdam's Sky Blue Light. This is a combination of TLP Whitehaven and Golden's Iridescent Pearl, and I'm only putting a little bit down there. This is a combination that I never would have normally gone with. This is Artist's Loft Metallic Orange, TLP Mango, and a little bit of Artez's Pearl Marmalade. Yeah, Pearl Marmalade. And the Pearl Marmalade is to redden it up just a hair to get it a little bit off orange. This is TLP's Zeus with Golden's Quinacridone Nicolazo Gold. And these two colors together are so nice. This orange and this Nicolazo Gold combo. Silver, Iridescent Silver by Golden, of course. Golden is probably one of my favorite paints. Arteza, Golden, Amsterdam. Deco Art, all really good. Let's put a little more down. So the client's color palette really started out as a blue and the orange. And then I was informed I could use a little silver if I wanted to, and then I added these other three colors as well. This is Modern Masters Mysterious Green. I got air bubble. I'm going to get rid of it right now. And another color I'll tell you in a second. So I have to focus here. Okay, it's Modern Masters Mysterious Green and Folk Art's Deep Atlantic Blue, which is a color that mostly sits on my shelf. Okay, this is my cell activator video 141, American Floetrol. And these here, some people have asked how long it lasts. This is from 4/9, so this is over a month old. Over a month old. Still going crazy here. Amsterdam's Titanium White. Oxide Black from Amsterdam. Let's give it a blow. So I normally talk through the blow here, but I'm going to do a commercial break. I'm going to be at the Fluidart Boutique from the 6th to the 8th of August, teaching 3 classes about the basic bloom and the art of the blow. The classes will include making a set of coasters, a face of a clock on a CD, and also a jar lid for a jar creation. So please join me there if you want to take a look at how to make these and how to apply the versatile bloom to functional art creations. Now that was a slow blow. See how this one comes out. Slow blow. Everyone is different. The last one was a much faster, easier blow. And the cell activator bounced back faster. This one, it's a little more stubborn. As I've said before, every one is different. And what's the key is knowing how to react in the moment as to what's happening. You got to be able to assess mid-blow what's going on and what do I need to do to adjust. Adjust to what the paints are doing. Because these paints, don't let them fool you. These guys are all alive and have a personality of their own. And I know I sound like I'm a lunatic. There's no doubt about it. There is energy in these paints, and these paints are doing whatever it is that they feel like doing at that moment. I probably won't share this video just because I'm a lunatic here. But you know what? I do kind of believe it. I mean, you know what? So call me crazy. I get good results. Whatever. At least I think I get good results. Oh my God, look at this thing. I'm so busy talking, I'm not even looking at this. Wow. Okay, let's give this guy a whirl. So after I get done with this, I'll be sharing, hopefully, the success story with Geraldine, the client, and then I'll be off to resining. And I'm making these the week before the Fluidart experience, and my whole garage is filled with every artist's supplies, their paints, their canvases, their boxes, the corrugated boxes that they're going to have for shipping, chairs, vitamins. I mean, everything is in the garage. Everything. I swear to goodness, it's like everybody's brought, all of their home supplies. And I'm starting to get excited. Because truth be told, I'm going to be going to the airport to pick up Kathleen here in the next few hours. Kathleen from Kaz. I'm so lucky I got to meet her. I got to meet Garrick. I got to meet some really nice people. And I'm going to meet more. I've met several great artists. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. I've had Kathleen over to paint. I've had Garrick Brown over to paint. Had Angela Bliss over to paint. It's been nice. Oh my gosh. I love this one. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I'm sorry. You guys must think I'm a fool. I do get excited. I get excited when I make really pretty stuff. It's exciting. Creating is such an amazing process. Soldiers talk about, having it's therapeutic. And I know it's therapy. It's therapeutic because you're creating something, especially for soldiers who have come out from maybe some overseas combat tours where it's all destruction. I was in the Army, I know, although I didn't ever have to serve that way. But there's so much destruction. And that is horrible for your spirit. Creating is therapy for your spirit. You feel connected. A little faster spin to get those edges off. But this one, oh my God. This one is the bomb. Oh my God. It's so pretty. more spin. One more spin. One more spin. Wow. What a combination. What a color combination. I was given, like I said, the orange and this bluish green to start with silver as an option. And then I added the pearl, Nicolazo, and that teal color here as my embellish. And what an amazing result. All right, we're calling this guy done. I think I'm going to have a happy customer. I'm making more of these. So everyone, that's a wrap. I made 4 more of these. I'm going to show you all 8 here. And Geraldine, if you have a druthers as to which ones you want, just let me know which of these 8 you want in the comments or email me and I will get you these in the mail probably early next week. And thank you once again for the opportunity to create these for you. At the end, I'm going to have a link to my coasters playlist so you can see other colors and other creations. Just to let everybody know that if I'm showing it to you here, it's fully resined and it turned out really beautiful. And what you see here is exactly what I got. Never any color enhancements or touch-ups, that's how I roll. Here are the final 4 that I'm choosing to show you guys up close and personal. And I really absolutely love this color combination, and you're going to see a little more of this as we go forward. At the end here, I'm going to have a link to other coasters in my coaster playlist. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. And please leave a comment with your thoughts, and a thumbs up is always appreciated. And please, you're welcome to share this with your friends or on your social media. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care. Till next time.